Hey, it's Blacc. Fuck taking over the city, I'm trying to take over the map. Hey, let's get it.
That shit ain't no average.
Thought it was over, they thought I was quitting. I promised to never give up on the mission. Thought some niggas was solid, I called them my brothers, but they ain't had the same vision. I got PTSD from the night while I was laying in the bed reminiscing. Wish I can call him and tell him I miss him. Your brother still holding it down in the trenches. Granny told me don't ever give up on the dreams. Too young and she knew I was gifted. The coldest that ever done did it, but most of these niggas too fake to admit it. They say life is a gamble, put on the poker face and play the cards that I was given. I've been in the trap, hustling all night, on the grind trying to make a million. Now these niggas can't do it like this. All this ice on my neck and my wrist. Don't watch me, better watch your bitch. Money on my mind, I'm trying to get rich. I ain't got time for that bullshit. Reppin' Northside, I can never switch it. Sick of tall 316 and a bitch jaw till she gets sick. Ayy, these niggas ain't built like him. Come through KC, lean brim. Smoking on good weed, no stem. Got a bad bitch with me and she look like him. 5'5", she know she a vibe. Hella thick with some light green eyes. Cute face and a little bitty waist. Tryna find out how much you can take. Foot on the gas, ain't taking no breaks. When I kiss on her neck, she be wet as a lake. No, I'm the realest and ain't no debate. My circle is small cause niggas is fake. I ain't perfect, I made some mistakes. I was risking my life trying to get to the cake. Hustling, putting in work every day. No more struggling. Told mama we okay. As a youngin', I had to go get it. No father around, I was locked in the system. Ain't playing the victim cause most of the niggas I grew up with same position. Posted up on the block in the trenches. I'm trying to escape, they ain't had an ambition. I remember the rain, I remember the pain, I remember them stained up shoes. I remember them nights when it felt like I ain't had nothing to lose. Now I walk in the closet and can't even pick out a fit cause everything new. I'm hustling like the rent dude, money in the bank, pockets on food. When they thought it was over, I came back colder and put the old hood on my shoulder. I do this for the culture, niggas is vultures, that's why I came to exposure. Unload the clip, no holster, it's the mob, bitch, Costa Nostra. Never go against the code, keep it real and never fold. Niggas hate to see you grow, but that's why I stay solo. As a youngin', I had to go get it, no father around, I was locked in the system. Ain't playing the victim, cause most of the niggas I grew up with same position. Posted up on the block in the trenches, I'm trying to escape, they ain't had an ambition. I remember the rain, I remember the pain, I remember them stained